I am candidate Coast Guard Officer Munoz from Obistondo, Pangasinan. I am once a proud member of Class 87 Sinag Tikas, but unfortunately, I wasn't able to graduate because I am medically deferred. Na everything happens for a reason, na maging part ng Class 101 para maging guide, mag-lead sa class at impart ko yung knowledge na natutunan ko sa previous class. And now, with grateful heart, I can finally say na I waited until I become. And to all aspiring applicants na nangangarap na pumasok, maraming taon ka na nagantay, maraming beses ka na ring nadapa, pero lagi mong tatandaan na when life offers you second chance, it is called tomorrow. And to Class 101, malapit na rin tayong maging ganap na tanong baybayin ng Pilipinas.
The Class 101-2023 Mandiglahi as an evidence of honor, hard work, honesty, a mirror of culture, tradition, and religion, and a Coast Guardian who has a deep value in serving the PCG, people, country, and God. A class of equity, equality, love, peace, and order. Congratulations to all of you.
May pusong matibay na hinubog ng panahon.
Today, we have gathered to commemorate a momentous milestone in the journey of our trainees, the recognition ceremony of CGNOC Class 101 Mandiglahi. Today, we extend our sincere appreciation for the unwavering dedication, hard work, and sacrifices invested by these individuals in their training. It is crucial to recognize that this training transcends the mere acquisition of skills, knowledge, and the right attitude. It is a transformative journey of personal growth, pushing boundaries, and uncovering one's true potential. Not only have they acquired new skills, but they have also evolved as individuals. CGNOC Mandiglahi Class of 101 embodies a profound commitment through its acronym. Mandirigmang may dignidad na hinubog para magkaisa. Encapsulates the essence of dedication, reflecting a strong sense of honor, dignity, and unity as you undertake the duties in service to the nation. In short and simple language, kayo yung tinatawag na mga bayani ng bayan.
As we celebrate the National Women's Month for this year, today's event, the recognition ceremony of Coast Guard and Officers Corps Class 101-2023 Mandiglahi, which is composed of 705 hopeful young ladies, convened the largest all-female undergoing the basic training for Coast Guard and Officers Corps under the supervision of Coast Guard Education Training and Doctrine Command. The PCG supports women empowerment, trust, gender development, and equality. These young, hopeful ladies were given equal opportunity to serve our country.
Kasi nanay, reklamo ay di uso. Walang pag-anilangan, magbibigay serbisyo. Pagod sumalubong, maghapon manggumulo.
Patuloy sa pangarap, hindi magpapatinag. Araw ay nilipas sa harapin ng bawat kupang tao sa buwan. Kalaban isipan, katawan man ay mapaport. Patuloy sa paghahod, iwanan dating buhay para sa ating bata sa pamilya may mawalay. Katawan man ay mga araw. Tuloy pa rin ang buhay, katapatan may araw. Madapa man sa daanan, aahang lumalaban. Kaming kababaihan, nilima ng katibayan. Ang napunong sindigan, natika ng katakuan. Lamunin man ang hapon, di matitinag maghapon. Laliman ka sa sirin, yan ang gawin bayan. Humpas ng panahon.
as we also celebrate the National Women's Month 2024 with the theme, Lipunang Patas sa Bagong Pilipinas, Kakayahan ng Kababaihan, Patutunayan. Today, as we celebrate the unwavering strength, resilience, and remarkable achievements of these trailblazing women who have fearlessly embraced the challenge of becoming the next generation of the Coast Guard.
To Coast Guard Non-Officers Course Class 101-2023, I urge you to continue and maintain your exemplary class unity and camaraderie. You can now finally, humbly say, Dulongs no more, non-officers not yet. Congratulations.
Bilang isang babae ko nangangarap kang pumasok sa Philippine Coast Guard, kinaya ko, kaya mo at kakayanin mo mag-isang tanod baybay ng Pilipinas.
Tumalon sa kasalukuyang panahon.
Kayang gawin ng mga babae lahat, and I have experienced it in connection with women empowering since it's National Women's Month, and I am proud to say na na-conquer ko lahat ng akala ko hindi ko kaya. So I'm here standing in front of you, a proud member of Class 101-2023 Mandiglahi!